can only go so far, right, babe? And I'm buried.
On today's episode of How Fucked Up's Fucked Up, we gotta pull the skid steer out. Oops, sorry guys. Hold on! I gotta find a different block. I gotta find a different block to stick under the tire. My truck's pushing it back. I gotta find a block that has a wedge on it. My truck's just pushing that block back. What about cheesy? No. Oh, the momento. That might work. It's just my truck sliding that block back. I would put it in the back because it's pulling down on the back. We'll try it. Just because that block's not digging in enough. Yeah, we're gonna have to find a different, like a wedgie block. I'm gonna pause this. All right, we have 3 of the 4 tires blocked, so we're gonna give her a shot now. Yeah, it's still just pulling my truck. I wonder, can I reach the brake? You know why? This goes fucking wireless. I gotta figure out how it goes wireless. Check them apples out.
What are you trying to do?
I went wireless. Oh, get up here. Would help if my parking brake was a little better. Oh. Yep, we were starting to tip. Got to rehook. Here.
I think you got a fucking free-flowing hydraulic fluid.
Okay, tip that back. We'll rehook. We'll try to hook to the ball this time.
Sure you want to hook to the ball? You better fucking hide.
Well, yeah, okay.
If that fucking shit slips off there.
Yeah. Okay, let's try to rehook to that arm maybe. And try to hook a little higher if possible so I don't tip you.
We already bent the car.
Oh.
Look at that.
Okay, can we just run it around the center maybe?
Right around the bucket.
We got a bunch that we can pull out. Yeah, I'm gonna rewrap this.
It's gonna be more dangerous for me than
wrapping it.
Oh. This is way more dangerous for me than this.
Yeah, try to keep an eye on it so I don't tip them. Put the bucket down! Oh, he can't fucking hear me. I'm tipping him. Keep here! Just keep the bucket down. Keep the bucket down.
It's pulling it forward.
I know. That's because the bucket's up. Keep the bucket down as low as you can.
This is as low as I can go.
Not that.
That way there's still room underneath.
Yeah, I know, but that's why it's tipping you. Is because the bucket's too high. Oh no. I don't know if it'll start again.
Now we got no power.
Positive. Alright, we gotta start it again. I got an idea. We're gonna hook the bucket a little different. Alright, bucket rehooked. Use different leverage. We need different leverage. That's a problem because I keep tipping him forward. Can we slide this over at all?
You see how much this mud?
I know.
Like it's on my feet. Look at this shape.
I know.
Look at that shit.
I know. I see. Oh, remote's in the way.
It's fucking stuck.
Try to keep it over here and see
We
what
can,
happens. Otherwise,
We can try to tie it behind this. But
can we run it on the bucket just on the outside and run it here so it slides
I
up
didn't put it in
against that?
between here.
Well, we don't have to even put it in between, just on the outside of it.
We're gonna bend this. I'd rather put it in between.
Well,
Because that way it hooks on this. This is the bucket.
okay, let's try that. I'll pause again. All right. Ah. It's throwing mud at me. All right, let's
More than enough mud to go around.
try this again. Yeah, I'm still tipping this. Is there,
Well
Is-
over the floorboard here.
yeah, is there a way?
Yeah, backwards.
No, I'm saying that we can hook it up just underneath the bucket. Can we run underneath around that bar and back over in front?
That's what we did the first time.
No, we went over the bucket. We didn't go back under.
The last time we did was just over the bucket.
I mean, just under
Yeah, that was
entirely.
the last one. I ran through here last time.
No, we went back over the bucket. I'm saying go under, go over that bar, and go back under.
Oh, okay.
Because then when you start tipping, it'll pull you up.
You can try.
Pausing. All right. Let's try this again. I know how I want to hook, but not working. Okay. Trying from a new angle, we're gonna come from the back. I have it hooked up so it's pulling underneath the skid steer. Hey! Hold on, I'm gonna get somebody else to hold the brake. Alright, good friend. He's gonna hold the brake in my truck. You'll have to hold kind of hard. Door fucking swung open. Should be good, Jingles.
Alright. Skid steer's fucked. We got it out. But in the process of getting it out, the chains were all grinding on that side. So that all has to come apart now. We tried. So now somebody's gonna make some mud. You'll be fine just hitting the gas going up that part of the driveway. We'll see. You don't need four-wheel drive just to hit the gas. I can get through here with the white truck. See? You don't need four-wheel drive. Well, you didn't get stuck. All right. That's our video for the day. Kind of fucked, but we'll get another one. Hit that like button, subscribe, and say hi.
Hi.
So, Lex wants to do a burnout with her truck. She hasn't, well, I don't remember the last time she has done one. So, we're gonna add this to the story, or however the Facebook or YouTube works. Duh! We had to move the white truck first. It's got brand new tires. Okay, fine. They're a couple months old. They only have a lot of miles. That doesn't mean they're old. Yep, you're good.
How to do
Turn your, yeah, you better know how to do a burnout. Turn your traction control off. It's trying, but we're getting like the world's saddest burnout. Them broken manifolds, there's no compression. There they go. Oh, you started to squawk and you let off. It scared you. You can come back more if you want the tires on blacktop. You can come back more if you want. Okay.
I can't hold the gas too much, otherwise it just dies off. Or I can't hold the brakes too much.
Okay, well, back up. You explain to these guys what's going on.
Okay.
And I'll find a block for the front tire.
Okay, so what's happening, let me turn you guys around. What's happening is, since I'm losing so much power out of the motor because I have busted manifolds, I have to let go of the gas or of the brake when I hit the gas, and as I do that, I end up moving off the concrete to compensate for the power I'm losing.
Okay.
Okay.
We'll try that.
You'll have to turn it back around.
You ready?
Yeah.
Let's try it again. Take 3.
Am I gonna go up over that though?
I don't know. What the?
It's because I'm losing all my power.
Well, and because you're on concrete. Concrete's a little bit different doing a burnout on.
Well, no, I know. But it's no different than doing a burnout on the road.
That's asphalt.
Whatever.
This is way different. It's worse for a rear end to do a burnout on this than it is to do it on a fucking...
I'll just put my nose up against the IDI.
You can put your nose up against that one if you want.
Well, yeah. Put a tire in between.
Okay.
We'll do that. I know these tires will scream and I want to hear it.
Well, they started to smoke.
I'm ready for this motor to pop anyways.
Why are we putting a tire in between for?
Just so I don't completely wreck the front end?
Your sensors are already bad.
Yeah. That's true. I don't want to smash his hands. Am I up against it?
Well, you're probably going to push that one.
Is that not in part?
Well, it's in gear, but that doesn't mean it's not going to roll. Well, see if you can reverse jump start an IDI. Go for it and try. Ah. There we go. Why do I feel like I'm getting hit with chunks of rubber? Them are new tires. I hope they're rocks. I hope they're rocks. Is that all the burnout you want to do?
Yeah, just rotate my tires and then I have to even it out again. I knew. Doodaloo. Dude, I just wanted to hear him scream.
Just wanted to hear him scream. Hit that like button. Fucking subscribe, guys.